Culture does not refer to color. Culture does not refer to ethnicity. Culture is not the same thing as race. I've heard many white people say, I don't have a culture. Black people, Mexican people, Asian people, they have culture. I don't have a culture. Yes, you do. Culture is not race or ethnicity or color. Culture refers, because you can have someone's color but not have their culture. Culture refers to the patterns of a group of people. Patterns of thinking, patterns of feeling, and patterns of behaving. Those patterns are learned. Those patterns are shared with a group of people. Those patterns are integrated. Those patterns are dynamic and organic, and those patterns are contested. You, my friend, were born at a very particular place in the world. You were born at a very particular time in world history, not the age of ancient empires, not the Middle Ages, not the Industrial Revolution. And you learned a very particular language and a dialect. Every one of you has an accent, even if you can't hear it. And language is a vehicle of culture transfer. Language is a vehicle of culture transfer. It is through a language that you were programmed with patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving. What's right, what's wrong, who's in our group, who's not in our group, what's rewarded, what's punished, how do we eat, what's considered a snack, how do we greet, so on. You were programmed with patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving. And you learned these patterns from a very particular, beautiful group of people.